Welcome back to the channel. I'm in the woods today because it's a little bit windy and I've got to rush this because I've realised I've come walking out here and I've got just 8 minutes left on the camera battery. But anyway, the other video with the wireless electric game on it, I want to add 3 more games and I'll show you those when we go inside. But I've also got a brand new technique, well to me anyway, of putting more coils onto the circuit, and that should allow for more games to be made. It's quite a novel idea perhaps. Let's go and have a look. Back indoors, and here is the new system which has multiple coils. The thing is, with the one coil the game worked fine, the last one, the bowling, but by adding a couple of extra coils you can get more games out of it, more fun, and I didn't realise it was as easy as it is. Here's the circuit diagram that I showed last time, and all you've got to do, and I'll get the Sharpie for this, is to connect from the positive, the battery positive, and the collector of your transistor. So if I do that, there we go, there's a coil connected up, and you can add 2, 3, I don't know how many. But the current does go up very slightly. It uses 30 milliamps with just one coil, about 35 with 2, and about 40 with 3. But it's much more practical for certain things and certain ideas. So there we are. Just connect from the positive of the battery and the collector with extra coils. And of course those coils would be the L3 and of 24 turns each. Right, so just to show it working, I've got one of the puck things from the last video. It's just the 24 turn coil on this old milk bottle top with an LED on it. And there we are, there's coil number 1, coil number 2 and coil number 3. What I'm going to be using for the games is water in this tray. And this is from, well, it was from Christmas time, with crackers and meats in it, and it's just the top lid. It has these ridges which, if you haven't got anything of a tub with any kind of ridges and such, you could probably just draw lines. You see I've got this piece of paper underneath. Just get a Sharpie or something and draw lines across instead. It's a little bit like the way that the Magnavox Odyssey used to do things, when they used to put labels over screens, over TVs, so they could mark out how to play the games. But anyway, perhaps it's better with the ridges, but as I say, you could just put lines across in Sharpie. So that's what I'll be using to contain the water. And regarding filling up, well, we haven't got a massive amount of range on these coils, but what I do is I fill up to, well, above these ridges that are here. That's the main thing, because, oh, excuse me, because what we've got is, this will float away quite nicely on this, only just a small amount. You can see by the side how little there is in there. It's just one little bottle, but it might get caught on the ridges. There we are. So just got to add a little bit more than that, just so it doesn't catch on those ridges. Of course, if you were to put the lines in Sharpie, you wouldn't have the ridges in the way in the first case. But right, I'll add a little extra, and then we'll start the first game, Sea Mines. Welcome to Sea Mines. In this game what you've got are 3 explosive mines that are stopping your travel from the right to the left. You've got an easy passage through, that's worth 1 point, and a more difficult passage which is worth 3 points. So what you do is you take your puck and you decide which route you want to take, and then just one tap and see if you can get across. So I'm going to go for the easy route first. Let's see what we can do. So there we go. Right, tap it across, and if it makes it across to the other side, you've ended up with 1 point. Alright, bring it back again. You can see as it goes across, the light will light up. Now if I just go through here with trying to get 3 points, oh, it lit it up. Oh dear me. So you'd have to find a different way of doing this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on an angle, try and get this through that angle. Try that. No, It is quite difficult to get it to go through. Let's have a see now. There we go. Yes, I got through. That's 3 points. Fantastic. So as you can see, a very simple game, but it's quite challenging. Just the 1 point for going through. If you pick the easy route, there we are. But in fact, is that going to make it? And if not, of course, you get no points. No, looks like, well, let me see. No, we've failed there, so that was 0 points. But that's sea mines. Now we'll go on to the next game. Welcome to 2 taps. In this game you've got just 2 touches of the puck to light up on all 3 of the coils. So you can arrange the coils any which way you like, but then with just 2 taps you have to make the puck go across all 3 to the other side. So let's have a go at this then. Alright. So first up, this is going to be difficult for the first one because it's right against the edge. So I'm going to have to start by pulling from here. Let's see. So there's one, and I failed at the first hurdle. Oh my word. So try it again. We've only got 2 taps to do this. So 1, nope. Try again. 1, yep. 2, and yes, the third one. With just 2 taps. I'll try it again. It is quite the challenge. Okay, so 1, nope, failed. Try again. 1, yep. Let it carry on, let it carry on. No, yep. And no, and I missed the third one. So, no points. As you can see, it's deceptively simple. It should be really easy. Right, so I'm going to try a little bit over this way. Okay. 1, yep. And get the angle. 2, 3. Yay, there we go. So, with just 2 taps, I managed to do it that time. Alright, well, that was 2 taps. And now on to the third game. Welcome to game number 3, Slalom. And in this one, you can tap the puck as many times as you wish, but you've not to light it up, you've not to touch any of the 3 coils. What you have to do is you have to go around, around, and around, and out. And the idea is to not light up the puck at all. So, let's have a say. As I say, you can touch however much you want here. You could even do timings. See how fast you can go. Well, that was lucky. Oh, this is going to be lucky. Oh, but it caught on the top there. I should need more water. Through and out. So that's how to do it. I'll come back in a second when I've added a bit more water. Alright, water added, because that was too easy, that was. Right, just check the system works okay. Yep, there we go. That's number 1, number 2, number 3. So we've not to get any lights on at all. Starting from the right, bottom right hand corner. Tap as many times as we wish, but not light it up at all to get to the top left. So, off we go. Oh, that was close. Carry on round, get through, and away. There we go. So that's the time to beat. I think as a time trial it might work out quite well. So we'll try it again, see if we can get any quicker this time. Alright, off we go. Oh, it's not lit up yet. We're going through, and oh no! Oh, there's the time. And the last third go. Check we're still running. Yep, we're all fine. Okay, from the bottom right, and begin. Alright, let's see. Oh, there's one. Oh, no, failed. Oh, no. Right, last go. I get competitive with myself doing this. Go. That's 1. Oh, around. Oh, come on. 2, and there we go. Right, and that was Slalom. Well, I hope you've enjoyed these games, and I very much look forward to knowing if anybody's made something similar, made new games up, if you could show those. And this has all been a heck of a lot of fun. Thanks very much for watching, and see you next time.